Hi, this is Guillaume from Spotahome Paris, and today we are near the Verdun in Courbevoie, which is a little suburb very close to Paris. In fact, we are just 5 minutes away from the next subway stops, and it's just it's 4 stops, and you're in the Paris center. So today, the flat that I'm going to show you today, it's a shared room property. Now we're in the hall. You'll have the kitchen on the right here. The bedroom to rent is just there, and you'll have the landlord's bedroom just there on the right. You have the bathroom, sorry, just here, and the toilets. I think we're gonna start here. So you can see it's an old-fashioned building, but it's still pretty clean. This is the bathroom. So it's a real bathroom. You have a real bathtub there. You have plenty of room. You can see the sink here. You have storage everywhere. You can hang the clothes there. And there's a window here. So this is on a private courtyard, and you'll be on another courtyard on the other side, but I'm going to show you when we're in the bedroom. So now you're going to see the kitchen. So here's the kitchen. It's fully equipped. You have basically everything you can need. There's a microwave oven on that side. You have a gas oven there. You have gas plates. You have a fridge and freezer here. You have 2 sinks. And there's a coffee machine, a toaster there. And you see you have plenty of storage everywhere with all the dishes and the clutter you might need. And you have also a little table here. So it's a pretty large kitchen too. You can easily have dinner here. And the bedroom, so this is the bedroom to rent. It's a really warm bedroom. So you have a single bed just here. You have 2 armchairs. One there, one there. You have this folding table here. And you have a real desk also here. On that side, you have the wardrobe with storage on the top. And you have also something on the wall. You have also storage there. And you have a TV. And there's also cable plug, so if you want to set internet or on Wi-Fi, you can. And now I can show you the window, and you see you're on the courtyard, so it's very quiet. Let's look at the room. You see it's a really convenient flat, considering you're very close to the university and also Nanterre University. So it should be really convenient for students or even for a worker. And I'm gonna head back in the hall. And this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. This was Guillaume for Spotahome Paris. Merci, à bientôt. Au revoir.